BC Ferries restores some service to Vancouver Island following windstorm. Some ferry service to Vancouver Island has been restored after a windstorm that resulted in the cancellation of all sailings across Georgia Strait Friday afternoon. High winds along BC's south coast caused BC Ferries to cancel service on 4 routes between the Lower Mainland and Vancouver Island, as well as service to southern Gulf Islands. However, BC Ferries announced late in the afternoon it was restoring service between Horseshoe Bay and Departure Bay for the 7 and 9 p.m. sailings. The following routes are cancelled as of 7 p.m. PT. Vancouver, Sawasan, Victoria, Swartz Bay. Vancouver, Sawasan, Nanaimo, Duke Point. Vancouver, Sawasan, Southern Gulf Islands. BC Ferries earlier reported that sailings from Horseshoe Bay to Langdale had been cancelled, but now says the route is operational. Environment Canada is forecasting winds of 70 km per hour over Greater Victoria, the Southern Gulf Islands, East Vancouver Island and the Sunshine Coast this afternoon, gradually weakening overnight. Winds between 60 and 90 km per hour across West Vancouver Island are forecast for Friday afternoon, also easing overnight. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. Be prepared to adjust your driving with changing road conditions due to high winds, the warning reads. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for daily videos.